to share with you the kit because there are multiple components within the kit. The first is the actual airway and the suction catheter. And this is wrapped sterile, of course, and the instructions indicate it's for use in the operating room. The airway and the suction catheter used to test the patency of the airway and that the anesthesiologist uses to clear the secretions from the pharynx. For home use, in a separate little packet, is the syringe and tip for irrigation of the airway. Also, there is a detailed instruction sheet for the use of the operating room staff for insertion and fixation. And finally, for home care, there's the instruction card showing the family or caretaker how to take care of the airway.